Okay, so after being using the Mecool KM9 Pro Android TV box for a while now, I thought I should do a review of it. And this is an Android TV box that I can highly recommend, because this one had all the features and all the specs I needed personally. And the best thing with this is that it's Google certificated. And that means that it is like a real Android TV that you get with, for example, the Philips smart TVs. So you have the same UI and everything, and you can even use the voice control built into the remote control. And the remote control on this one is awesome, because you pair it with the box itself and have an excellent bandwidth and so on, so you can use it far away, and it has all the features you need for the Google Android TV UI. So you don't need another remote actually when you have this, because it's so good. So I can highly recommend this Android TV box. And as I said, it's Google certified, and it runs on Android 9.0 Pie, so it has the latest Android version built in, so that's nice. And it has some cool light built in. So for example, when connecting, it has connecting to the network, it has one light and so on, and when it's connected it has another color, and when it's off it has another color and so on. So it works good with all the different colors on this box. So I like that, and it has the fast USB 3.0, it has 4 GB of RAM memory, and that's awesome to have in an Android TV box, and you have 32 GB of storage, and that's more than enough for me, because I don't use any games or whatever. This box can definitely handle most of the games, but I don't use games, I don't play games, so 32 GB of storage is enough for me to use for movies and TV shows and everything else, so that's nice. And as I said, voice remote, it's awesome to have on this one. You have Google Home support, you have Google Chromecast built in into this. So instead of buying a Chromecast, you can buy this Android TV box, because it has Chromecast built in. So you get both things actually. You get an Android TV box and you get Chromecast when you buy this, and it works awesome. The only thing I can't cast using the Google Chromecast feature on this one is Netflix, and I come to that later on in this video, because Netflix has some flaws here with this box, licensing flaws. And you have of course Google Play built in and much more. So this has excellent specs and excellent support. I really love that. And you can watch YouTube 4K videos excellent on this one without any kind of problems. That works awesome, that too. And sadly you can't watch Netflix on this one. You can't watch Netflix HD, it doesn't support the Netflix Android TV app or whatever, and that's very sad. You can though install the Netflix mobile app, as you can see down here. You can install the Netflix mobile app and watch Netflix movies and TV shows, but not in HD. You can watch that in SD. And also the remote that comes with the box doesn't support the mobile app, sadly. You need to have the Android TV version of Netflix to be using the remote, sadly. But that's the only drawback with this Android TV box. The only drawback is that you can't watch Netflix on this. That's a bit bad. And you have a lot more cool stuff with this one. Excellent speed, a great CPU chip actually. It has awesome speed, so you have no problems using this Android TV box with most of the stuff you want to do actually. Oh, and we have, as I said, voice control, so you can say, for example, you can search for action movies and you get all the action movies you got and so on, and you can search for action movies in Google Play store and so on YouTube and all that. So that works really good. And you have Google Chromecast, as I said, works great. So you don't need to have a specific Chromecast unit for this one. You only need this Android TV box. And as I said, YouTube 4K works great, and sadly not Netflix. So I can highly recommend this box. You can buy that from Banggood.com, and you have links down below in the description text, of course, where you can buy this. And you also have support for HDR with this box. Works great. HDR works great on this one. So you have more than you can think of with this box actually. For this price you get everything you need. You get more than you paid for actually. So I can highly recommend this. Go check the links in the description text. Okay, bye.